Hey guys, this is Ron with Firehouse Solutions, and today I'm going to walk you through creating a news story. We've done a lot of upgrades to the news system, and I wanted to kind of outline some of those features and upgrades that'll be released to all the customers. So I'm in the Firehouse Solutions demo. I'm in the members area, and just like before, I'm going to go to Contribute, Submit News. As an administrator, you should be able to see everything. And you can also toggle different functions, take news stories offline, delete them, put them back online. If you're an ordinary user, you'll only see the news stories that you've created. So let's go ahead and create a news item. And what you'll see differently is we've chopped up the news feature into tabs. So it organizes the components of a news feature a little bit. It organizes them in a fashion where you can just kind of flow through. So a user would just simply create the story, and they can skip around on different tabs, and then they can preview everything right here and then submit. The public status, this field is only available to administrators. An ordinary user would not even be able to see this, and when they submit the news item, it would go to an administrator for review, just like always. Me as an administrator, I can make it online immediately, so I don't have to go through the approval process. Okay, so let's go ahead and type up a news story, and this is a mass casualty incident in Chapco. This story was written by Chief John Rayleigh of Mechanicsville. The news type, we're going to leave it on the scene. The date, let's say it happened August 1st. And then let's get our narrative. Paste that in there. Now the narrative can be written in Microsoft Word, and then you can simply paste it in here, or you can type it in here directly. If you type it in here directly, just keep an eye on this session timeout up here. You do have 60 minutes now to create the news story before the website will time out. So let's go ahead and scroll down. Here's a new field. It's an address field. This is powered by Google Maps. So whatever you put in here, there'll be a Google Map overlay of that particular incident address on the news story itself. I'll show you that once we've submitted it. So what you want to do is you want to add the incident address, city, state, zip, or you can put an intersection. Just put something that's recognizable by Google Maps in this field, and that's what this pop-up here says. So this is an intersection. It's Budds Creek Road. And Mechanicsville Road. Okay, and let's put our units in here. And let's put our mutual aid units. That's just like before. This is new. It's a hyperlinks feature. You can put the link text in here, paste a URL right there, and it makes it a little bit cleaner instead of having a long URL displayed in the news story. So this particular story, we have two members who have SmugMug accounts, and we'll go ahead and link their photos up. So the news feature will only display this text here, and it will have this URL tied to it. This last field is HTML code, so let's simply add bold text just as a test. You can post JavaScript in here, you can put iframes, you can embed videos. Any type of HTML code that you put in here will be rendered on the public website. Any type of scripts that you find online and whatnot. So let's go to photos. Now here's a new feature. Let's go ahead and add photos, and now I can just simply select all the photos I want out of my folder and click open. So they're all in here, they're on this list. If I check this box, the website will automatically apply a watermark to the bottom left hand corner of the photo. So if you want to use this feature, encourage all your members to keep this box checked before they upload their photos. I'm going to uncheck it for this particular story because these photos already have watermarks on them, so I don't want to double watermark them. So let's go ahead and click upload. The website's now going through all 16 files, it's resizing the photos, it's generating a thumbnail, and when it's complete, all the photos should appear at the bottom and allow me to add captions. So let's scroll down here, and I can add my captions. And let's see, Command Center. Okay, and I can keep going. I can remove any of these photos, or I can set one as the cover photo. So that's the one that will appear on the home page. So let's go ahead and set that one as the cover photo. And that's it. So now we're going to go to attachments. For this particular incident, we do have audio of the dispatch and the fireground operations. So let's go ahead and upload that. So it's an MP3 file. A lot of fire departments and rescue squads are now collecting audio, whether it be through their dispatch centers or through a scanner that they have tied to the internet. It's very helpful for training. It's all public information, so you can upload it. You know, it's going across the radio feeds. So here it is. Here's my attachments. I can remove it. I can click on it, make sure it works. So let's go to videos. This is where I'm going to embed a video. And I'm going to go ahead and paste code from YouTube. This is the code that I got off of YouTube's share feature. You simply go to share and then go to embed, and you'll find this code here. We highly recommend YouTube. It allows you to have an unlimited amount of this space. It allows any video to stream to the user so they don't have to download the whole thing before they watch it. And you can also set a wide array of security functions for all of your videos. You can also use other services like Facebook or Vimeo or any type of video service that offers embed code. You can put it in here. So I got my code in here, and let's click embed. Now this is just a test video, so it's not really for the mass casualty incident, but you can see, I just wanted to show you how it plays right there embedded into the website. So let's go to settings. This is just like before. I've got my different settings, my different layouts I can select, so let's just keep it standard. And finally, let's click preview. This is where I can make sure everything's correct, everything is spelled correctly. I've uploaded all the information. There's the narrative. Here's our address we put in there. Here's the units, mutual aid units. Here's our 2 hyperlinks. Here's our attachments and the photos with all the captions. So just making sure everything's still there. I'm scrolling down, and here is our video, and here's our layout. So I'm happy with how everything looks. I'm simply going to go up here and submit news item. Okay, now scroll down and click back to public website. Here's our mass casualty incident in Chaptiko right here. Click on that. Here is the map feature, so I'll click on that. There's our incident location, Budds Creek Road, Mechanicsville Road. So I can also interact with this map, zoom in and zoom out. I think this is going to be a pretty neat feature, and close this. If I scroll down, below the narrative I've got my bold text, and I've also got the other items that I've uploaded, units. Here's my external hyperlinks, here's the attachments, here's the photos with the captions, and I should have a video embedded right here on the bottom. So here's our test video that we uploaded. So that completes creating a news story. This feature will be out soon for all of our websites that are powered by Firehouse Solutions. Again, this is Ron with Firehouse Solutions. Hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. Have a good day.